What's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel Craftsman. Today I am going to tell you how to change the color of the story text of an Instagram. Whenever we upload the story of Instagram, then we cannot change the color of the text, so we are typing different text for different colors. So in this video I am going to tell you how to change the color of the word for single text. So in this tutorial I am going to tell you how to do it. So without wasting time, let's start the video. So in this video, as you can see that I am changing the word for the change of color with the different text. So with different color I am doing this. Like you can see the name Craftsman, in which I have given the different color to it. Now you can also fade the color. The how to do it, you can see that this is the same method as previous. So guys, you have to just type the letter and you have to scroll it and you have to click on the color which you have to use to this word, and then you can drag the color and you can select that color particularly, or you can change the color to different color as suitable for you. So guys, you can see that I have done it. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also don't forget to press the bell icon so that whenever I upload the video you will get the notification. Thank you guys. Istana vista, and watch the previous video. Thank you guys.